Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. Today I will participate March for Gaza at Sohrabdi Uddan, and I am calling upon all of you to join me because it is not just an individual but as a human being we cannot stop standing against the Israel, and we should stand for the Palestine because we are seeing that what is happening in Gaza, that is genocide, that is massacre. We people have never seen these types of massacre, but as a Bangladeshi we have fought for our freedom, so we know the pain of oppression. Today I am standing here to urge all of you to go and to come at Sohrabdi Uddan and march for Palestine, and let the world know, let our presence to the world know that Bangladesh stands for justice, Bangladesh stands for Gaza, and we will never stop until justice prevails. We want it to stop, and we want to see the Palestine freedom zone as, and we want that Palestine will be free from the river to the sea. Palestine will be free. So I am highly excited to go march for Gaza, and I am calling upon all of you to come with us because the Palestinian people are dying. The children are growing up in fear. They cannot live freely. They are crying. As a human being, we cannot see that. This is not just a matter of political, this is a matter of humanitarian. It's a test of our humanity, it's a test of our value. So we should go at Sohrabdi and join for the March for Palestine. And I am I will participate there after a few moments, and I am highly excited to invite you, and that is why I invite you, because as a human being you cannot remain silent, you cannot be blind, you should come and stand for Gaza. Okay, free, we will stand and we should raise our voices against the Israel and on the part of Palestine, that we want to see Palestine as a freedom zone. Assalamu alaikum everyone, and I hope that I'm optimistic that you will attend to the march for Gaza at Palestine at Sohrabdi Uddan. Assalamu alaikum.